Hi YouTube! On today's adventure with BB, I am in Renton on Rainier Avenue. I'm just getting a good look-see. It's Renton, South Renton that way, past that Walmart sign in the distance. There's an IKEA way yonder over there. And then I live up that hill somewhere. I can't really see my apartment. I think I'm too far east right now. I'm a little bit too far south. There we go. But yeah, that's Renton, folks. I'm up by the train trestle and just getting a good bird's eye view of the environment. The other side that I tried to climb up was all rocks and gravel like that, but then clear, and I just kind of pushed up, and I was at the halfway point. I'm like, I want to get down, but then I realized too late. I'm already up. And yes, technically this is illegal, but right now I'm fine. I'm not doing drugs, I'm not prostituting, I'm not doing illegal shit. I'm just getting a good bird's eye view. See? Train tracks. Let's just watch traffic for a little bit, shall we? I'm not going to stay up here too long. I don't want the popo to pull over and tell me to get down, which I will. Blackberry thickets and a lot of trash. What else is new? Bright sun. It's not quite sundown, but it's beginning to go down a bit. It's like 5:30. Almost 6. 5:30 p.m.-ish, almost 6 p.m. This is what it looks like. Renton, Washington, about 30-ish miles south of Seattle. Renton, Washington, not the greatest place, not the worst place, but something in between. Alright, approaching the 3-minute mark. My hands are cold, it's windy, there's some wind chill on my knuckles, and I have a broken nail. Welcome to the life of BB. How may I help you? Alright, folks, one more pan up the hill, over, southwest, into the sun, onto the train. Alright, folks, you have a great day. Bye-bye.